Hello everyone, this is a quick video today just to show you the contents of this month's The Dream Box by Sophia Grace Craft Supplies, and this month's theme is Pandemania, and oh, this is so cute. So just to give you the basics, this is a monthly released box. There's a different theme each month and you have a choice of two size boxes, either the standard or the deluxe. In the standard you get 4 sheets altogether of A4 leatherette or glitter, so say 2 sheets of leather, 2 sheets of glitter, or 3 leather, 1 glitter, but you'll get 4 altogether. You will also get 2 embroidery items in the standard box. In the deluxe box you get 8 sheets altogether of A4 in either leather or glitter. This particular box I have got 6 of the printed leather and 2 glitter sheets, all A4 size. They're full size, and I have got 4 embroidery items which I'm going to go through and show you them all individually. The standard box is £13 and the deluxe box is £27.50. And as you can see on this little printout here, you get a breakdown of each of the items. You can see that you definitely get more than your money's worth. So let's go through these items one at a time. I'm just going to set the little embroidery items aside for now, and I'm going to show you the printed sheets to begin with. I have got 7 of the artisan printed leatherette and 2 sheets of complementary glitter, and all of the prints and the glitter, they all complement each other, so you can mix and match all of the fabrics knowing that they go together so well. The first print we have here is this black and white monotonal stripe, and just to show you the quality, it has got a gorgeous smooth backing and a lovely thickness to it, so when you make those bow loops they are going to hold a really nice shape. Our second print is this cute panda and floral print, and you've also got like these little bamboo stems, if you like, in between. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that one. And then we've got another panda print here, and this time this one hasn't got the flowers on it, but you've got the little pandas holding the bamboo, and this one here sitting on top of the bamboo. And this one again has got that lovely monotonal look. It has got the pandas on it, and it's got like this little square print in the background. I really love this one. I do love monotonal hair bows. I don't know why, I've just loved the look. So this, along with the stripy one, will look really good together just to make a monotonal bow. But it's just got that added cuteness with those little pandas. And then you've got this sheet which has got all of those flowers on it, and this brings out the flowers in this fabric here. So again, these two would look really cute together because you could layer these up and do the bottom loops in one pattern and the top loops in the other, and they match together really well. And then this one here is the bamboo only print. Again, this will go with any of these fabrics because they've all got a little bit of the bamboo print in them. So these kind of prints are really good for layering up your bows and adding in extra loops. And the 2 complementary glitters are of course in black and white. And as you can see, they are an amazing quality. They really do shimmer, and they've got that lovely thickness to them and a good quality backing. And now we're going to have a look at the embroidery items that we've got in this month's deluxe dream box. So if I set this here so you can see as I'm going through the list. So we've got the panda peekaboo, which is this one here. So you've got the little head with the tab and the feet, so you can stick this on the top of the bow with the little feet coming out the bottom. All you have to do with these is just carefully cut around the stitching, not over the stitching, just leave a millimetre or 2 around the edge. I will do tutorials showing how to use these later on in the week. The next one, we've got the panda ears slider, which is basically this one here. So you can make yourself a cute panda ears headband by just cutting out these ears and sliding them on. And then you've got the bamboo panda furry friend, and that is this embroidery item here along with this marabou feather trim. You basically can trim this down or just fold it round and stick it on his body, and you can pop it on a hair bow, or that would make a lovely hair slide in itself. And then our last item we have here is the panda rainbow bow holder. So with this one, excuse all the little bits of feather, you will cut out this rainbow, and then you can attach some ribbon to the ends of the rainbow and pop the little feet on the ends of the ribbon, and then you use the ribbon to clip your bows onto, so you've got yourself a cute little bow holder. Isn't that gorgeous? So this here is all of the items in this month's dream box. Don't forget, if you do want to grab yourself one of these, do head over to Sophia Grace Craft Supplies on their website. I will link it in the description below, and grab yourself one of these boxes right now. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video today. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you press the bell button, that will turn on notifications. And don't forget, in the coming couple of weeks, I will be making some bows using these items to show you how to put them together and give you some ideas. I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.